Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the TCL 10 Pro. Now, I know I've already done a full review on this device right here, but TCL was actually nice enough to send out another one, which is the one that you are looking at right here. Now, for my full review, this device right here to the left is actually the one I used for that review period, which comes in this nice amber gray color. I think it looks really cool on this device. Well, now they have another color that is now available here in the US, and that is this forest mist green color. And that's pretty much all we're going to look at today on this channel, because like I said, I've already done a full review on this device, so this is not a review. I will link that video down in the description below if you do want to check that out. But we are here more to take a look at this new color that is now available on this great device, going for around 450 bucks on Amazon right here, no matter which color you get. So a very affordable price for this device right here. And again, a great looking device. I'm really happy with the design that they gave this phone right here. Again, the TCL 10 Pro in this forest mist green color. And I gotta say, the camera does not do it justice on how good this color looks on this device. And I'm not much of a green kind of guy. Green wouldn't be my go-to color when it comes to anything really, but as far as this phone goes, I mean, it looks so good. It looks really good, especially on that camera module. If I get a close-up here, it's looking really good. Like I said, the camera does not do it justice on how good it actually looks in person. Now, as far as the overall design goes, I feel exactly the same way I did with my original review. No matter what color it is, I really love how they made that camera module just flush in the back. I mean, there's absolutely no camera hump in the back. The only hump you get, or a little bit of raise, I guess you would say, is from the two flashes on the side. They pop out just enough to where if I were to lay this flat on its back like this, it lifts it up just enough to where this camera module will not touch any flat surface. So I think they did a really good job when it comes to the design. And then another thing I love about this device is the IR blaster that we have here at the top. We can actually use this phone to control our TVs, which is a great feature and always just something cool to show off in front of family and friends, or maybe you're over at a friend's house or family's house and you want to mess with them. You can change the channel, turn the volume up or down with the device itself. So definitely a really cool feature. And it also has a headphone jack. A lot of phones are getting rid of them these days, so TCL has kept it with the TCL 10 Pro, which I am definitely happy about, because me personally, I do use the headphone jack when it comes to my devices for those that do still have the headphone jack. And then of course we have the USB Type-C down at the bottom along with the speaker and then the SD card slot. This does have a 6.47-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, which looks absolutely amazing. Also comes with that in-display fingerprint sensor, which you can see right there. Works great, no problem at all using it. Let me go ahead and get it right there. Again, as you can see, beautiful looking display. Now, I wouldn't say most, but there are a lot of people who don't like these curved edges. It's kind of a personal preference. Some people do, some people don't. Me personally, I have no problem with them at all. I think it gives it a nice premium look, especially for a $450 device. This does not look like a $450 device in my opinion. If anything, anywhere from a $600 to $700 device. I mean, it looks that good. Like I said, at least in my opinion. You also get a main 64 megapixel camera in the back, along with a macro lens as well. That works really good, and I did show camera samples for that in my full review. Like I said, I will make sure to link that down in the description below. You also get 128 gigabytes of internal storage, along with 6 gigabytes of RAM and a 4,500 milliamp battery, which lasts a long time on this device. I had no problem making it through an entire day. At least with this device right here, I can imagine it will be the same for the green color device as well. Nothing should change except for that color right there. But again, this video was just to introduce this new forest mist green color that is now available here in the US for $450. I'll have a link down in the description below in case you do find yourself interested in this device. If you want, go ahead and go watch my full review before making any decisions. But if you are going to go with a color for each one of these, honestly, you can't go wrong with either of these, whether it be the amber gray color or this new forest mist green color. They are both great, but you cannot go wrong with this green color. I mean, it looks amazing on this device. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about this color right here? Would you choose this one, or would you choose the Ember Gray color? Like I said, in my opinion, both looking really great. I love the matte frosted finish in the back. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.